Hello students, welcome to my accountancy class. Today's topic is preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Chapter number 1 of partnership. Chapter name is accounting for partnership firm fundamentals. Now in this video you will learn the preparation how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account as well as one important concept related to the manager's commission. What is the accounting treatment of manager commission? So watch this video very carefully, give proper attention here. First I would like to clear the question written here and then I will teach you the solution. In this question number 15, T.S. Grewal, new edition 2021, you have been given two partners, partner X and partner Y. Both are sharing profits and losses in their PSR, profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. They have contributed capitals rupees 8 lakh and 6 lakh respectively. They are entitled to receive interest on capital at the rate 5% per annum. Salary is to be given or is to be allowed to Y rupees 60,000 per year. This is salary per year. After that, profit for the year rupees 2,40,000. But after Y salary. This is the profit after Y salary. In my last video, I have taught you that salary to Y means salary to partner is not a charge. So you should add in this profit, then it will be written here in the P&L appropriation account. After that, make a provision for manager's commission at the rate 5% per annum, at the rate 5% of the net profit. Dear students, check the question. You have been given the profit, but after salary. And see here net profit. This is not the net profit for the year. This is not the net profit because the net profit which comes from P&L comes before the salary to partner. Means in this profit, the salary to partner should be added to reach on the net profit from P&L. Okay, now preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, I am teaching you this most important concept here related to the manager commission. Come, there is the working note for you. Calculation of manager's commission. The commission is equal to 5% of the net profit. 5% of 3 lakh rupees 15,000. This is a manager commission. Now question is, how have we calculated net profit? See here, the net profit is equal to profit after Y salary, means partner salary, plus Y salary. Y की सैलरी के बाद का प्रॉफिट आपने को क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है और सैलरी उसमें ऐड कर देंगे तो सैलरी से पहले का प्रॉफिट आ जाएगा जो कि P&L से आया हुआ नेट प्रॉफिट होगा 3 लाख रुपीस. नाउ मेक इट पॉइंट. नेट प्रॉफिट हुआ है फर्म को 3 लाख रुपीस का. ये रहा. अब बात करते हैं मैनेजर की. मैनेजर्स कमीशन जो आपने कैलकुलेट कितना कर लिया पहले ही 15,000. Manager is an employee of the firm. He is not the partner. And whatever amount we pay to our employee is called the expense of the firm and is charged through profit and loss account. It is shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account. It reduces the net profit.
अब जब आपने कह दिया कि पार्टनर नहीं है, ये एम्प्लॉई है,
और जो भी एम्प्लॉय को मिलता है चाहे सैलरी हो कमीशन हो, वो फर्म का एक्सपेंस होता है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में दिखाया जाता है, प्रॉफिट को कम करके दिखा देता है। तो जब 3 लाख का प्रॉफिट आपने कैलकुलेट करा था, अब उसे मैनेजर को कमीशन देना है, तो वो P&L के डेबिट में जब दिखाओगे तो प्रॉफिट घट कर आएगा, 2,85,000 आएगा। इसके लिए आप चाहे तो वर्किंग नोट्स में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाएं। जब आप प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाएंगे तो आपको क्या करना होगा, यहां पर आप लिखेंगे 3 लाख और माइनस कर देंगे 15,000, तो ये 2,85,000 आ जाएगा P&L अकाउंट से, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट से। 2,85,000 को आप कहां ट्रांसफर करोगे, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में, या चाहो तो वर्किंग नोट्स में ये ना दिखाकर डायरेक्ट ट्रीटमेंट ये दिखाओ, बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट 3 लाख रुपीस बिफोर मैनेजर कमीशन, दिस इज द प्रॉफिट बिफोर मैनेजर कमीशन माइनस मैनेजर कमीशन, सो द नेट प्रॉफिट इज 2,85,000। मैनेजर कमीशन यहां माइनस करके शो करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू शो दिस if you are not giving the working notes in the form of P&L account. Now do the appropriation of the profit. ये 2,85,000 आ गया, Y को सैलरी मिलनी थी, that is the appropriation. So it is to be shown here. To Y salary account 60,000, जो आपने उसको सैलरी देनी थी 60,000. Now both the partners are entitled to receive interest on capital at the rate 5%. So the 5% of 8 lakh rupees is 40,000. You can write here to interest on partners capital accounts. The journal entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital accounts. Interest on X capital account to interest on Y capital account. So the 5% of this is 40,000. 5% of 6 lakh is 30,000. Total interest on capital is 70,000 here. Now, this was the profit, and the total of credit side is 2,85,000. The same total shall be written here. From the total of credit side minus the total of debit side, the balancing figure will be 1,55,000. This is the balancing figure. This is the balancing figure. Difference of credit and debit. It is called the distributable profit or the divisible profit. This distributable profit or divisible profit is divided between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So this 1,55,000 will be divided between X and Y in the ratio 3:2. So divide the 5 parts and take 3 parts to X and 2 parts to Y. So and this profit will be transferred to partners capital account or partners current account. To X rupees 93,000, to Y 63,000. Now I have written here, if the capitals are fluctuating, if the partners are following the fluctuating capital method in which the capital increase or decrease, then you can write here partners capital account. As you provide the profit, the partners capital will increase. If the capitals are fixed, so capital should not be increased by providing these such things. So instead of writing capital, you will write a current account. I hope that you have got the concept and have got the solution. Give a thumbs up to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.